Dos Ron means two rums. We're a Solaris rum, so our ages on our rum are 8, 16, and 21.
The Solera process means that you're going to take a little bit of 4-year, a little bit of 8-year, a little bit of 12-year, a little bit of 16-year. But the average age is going to be an 8-year or a 16-year or a 20-year. So you're taking some older, some younger.
Right.
You're blending it together almost like a winemaker, and that's what's the Solera aged process.
Right. The father was originally behind the whole program, who started the company, Dos Ron Company, and the son Carlos ended up when Castro came in. So Carlos ended up going to East Germany on a work program, and once then the actual making of the rum when they were in Cuba went to Dominican Republic. So that's where they were making the rum out of. So once the wall fell, Carlos came back into Germany. Western Germany, and started to the process and bring in his father's tradition and heritage back. It drinks like a new age type of whiskey or a bourbon or a scotch. It really does. Versus the old rums in the past, it was you'd have to almost mix it to drink it. It's that type of effect. Ours, you can mix it if you want, but it's great straight or on the rocks.
So the 8-year will probably be a more bold taste, a lighter color, different taste. The 16-year is a little darker. People have said that it's a little smoother. They'll tend to drink that on the rocks. Whereas the 8-year, if it's a little too bold, they'll mix it. So that'll be your mixing rum. The 16, though, as Ed said, there are people that love scotches and bourbons and whiskeys that they like to drink either neat or on the rocks. High-aged rums now, such as Dos Ron, could be, you can put that on a glass and either put ice in it or drink it straight, and people love it, just like they're drinking their bourbon, their scotch, their whiskeys.
It's great to see it kind of come into the United States after it's had the history it's had, especially with Cuba and Castro and their family bringing it back to the market and to what they used to do. So it's wonderful seeing that.